Welcome to this slow and short Pilates class, working on the balance between suppleness and strength. Let's go ahead and begin having a seat on your mat. The knees will be bent, thighs parallel, feet down on the mat as well. Reach your arms forward, inhale, and exhale, reverse. Start rolling yourself down and back, feet stay heavy. Maybe the hands start sliding along the legs and rolling back up again. What's most important here is moving through the back, so that suppleness through your back, feet staying down, even if you just go a little bit, and coming back up again. As you work through the body, maybe you're gonna go down a little bit lower today, or when you come back to the session. So keep the work really focused in the abs here, not the shoulders, easeful with the neck. And just one last time to reverse down. You pause and now go onto just your lower back, but not your shoulder blades. Pull the thighs tight in towards the chest in a small ball. Take hold of one leg, opposite leg reaches forward, inhale. Exhale, pull in. Switch sides, reach long with thigh. Pull in. Deep breath in. And out. Deep breath in. And out. So as if your toes are trying to touch the opposite end of your room. Just one last time each side. Very nice. Feet go down onto the mat. Anchor your feet and breathe out, roll up. Maybe you use your hands behind your thighs to get all the way up. Sitting tall and take the legs straighter. Maybe that's part way straight or all the way straight. Arms parallel. Exhale, bend forward. Stretch it out. Fingers reaching past the toes. Point the feet, rolling back up. So we're going to add a little flare with the ankles where you flex to stretch. Inhale to roll up, point through the feet. Make this ooey gooey. That's why we're moving slowly. Find your edge, breathe into that. Maybe that edge changes every time you stretch forward. Rolling up and staying up, legs stay strong and together. Open your arms across from the shoulders. Inhale, rotate to one side. Think about increasing your wingspan with your arms. Come back to center. Switch sides, rotate second side, reach, reach, reach. So sitting taller as you continue alternating sides. Keep reaching long with the arms. And still breathing deeply. Inhale. And exhale. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Staying center. Hands come down. Once again, bend through the knees, so scooch forward. The legs can stay tightly squeezed together if that's comfortable. Arms parallel once again. Reverse. Roll yourself down. Back to first movement, just closed and squeeze with the legs. Rolling down to your range. And coming right back up again. Keep at least the heels of the feet heavy. So the flex position may be better for your body, but anchor through the feet in some way. So the feet are staying down, full foot or heels. Really trying to move through the back to take you down. Engaging through the center to bring you back up again. Now next time you roll down, we'll take that little pause again. Pausing here. Go on to your lower back, but not your shoulders. Go back to tight ball, knees in towards you. This time reach your legs up towards the ceiling. They can stay a little bit bent or they go straighter. Take hold of one leg, opposite leg halfway down. Strong. Lift it back up, squeeze the legs. Switch sides, forward half. and up. And see how this halfway range is for you. Staying still with rest of body. And if this is just right, keep it here. If you want more stretch, a little bit more work, the leg reaches further down to the floor, maybe all the way down, and then back up. The back body stays nice and still, even as the leg is going into the bigger range of motion. So it requires a little bit more openness across front of the hip. Let's do one more time, each side, forward. And one last time. Very nice. Bend the knees, feet on the mat, press down into feet, roll yourself up. Again, you get stuck, use your hands. Sitting nice and tall. Take the legs straighter, but keep that nice tall spine. Hands behind one thigh. Exhale, leg extends at the diagonal and bend. And it may not go all the way straight, but keep your thigh anchored in towards your chest. 2 more times here. Your leg will stay straighter up at the diagonal. And hands maybe walk to ankle. If that's within your reach, hands to ankle. Exhale, bend the elbows round your spine. And come right back up again. So this can even be here. Hands behind thigh with the leg a little bit bent. You choose the leg and arm position that's just right for you. Staying round. And now rock your shape forward. This little tip forward. Come back to where you were. Rock the shape forward. And return. Rock your shape forward. Very nice. Stack the spine. Bend the knee. Foot comes down. Rotate towards your bent thigh. You can give it a hug. A nice rotation here. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Rotate further. Deep breath in. And out. Another deep, spacious breath here. Very nice. Unwind. Straighten through that leg. One time through. Hands slide forward along the mat. Stretching. And reset. So spine tall, even if that means you bend the knees. Hands behind opposite thigh. Exhale, leg goes straighter and bend. Soften the shoulders, legs straighter. And bend. Keeping the leg in the straighter position. Hands walk towards your ankle. And breathe out. Bend the elbows around the spine. And a nice tall spine. And repeat. Take your time with this one. You'll stay round. This next time, tip your shape forward. Return. Even if the spine is round, the shoulders can be easeful here. Another time here for tip. Very nice. Stack your spine, bend the knee, foot on the mat, rotate towards thigh, and tap into the deep rhythm of your breath. Allow yourself to unwind, coming back center, both legs go straighter again, and one time stretch forward. Rolling up, very nice. Roll onto your side here. Legs slightly in front of you. Lift the top thigh up, roll it out and in. So that just means knee up, knee down, or external rotation, internal. Just think knee up and down. So we'll keep moving with out and in. We'll add on, roll out, lift the leg up, flex the foot, heel towards front. Lift, roll in, point the foot, knee behind you and down. Lift to front flex, lift to back point, to the front, knee up, to the back, knee down, and trying to get that leg big range of motion up every single time. Let's do one more time front to back. So we'll do one more full round to front and back. Lift the leg up, flex the leg down, keep it rolling out, and just let the knee bend, foot behind you on the mat, knee up to ceiling. Flexing your bottom foot, lifting leg up and down, lifting thigh up. Just a little work for inner thigh here. 2 more times, 2 and 1. Very nice. Stretch the top leg back behind you. So the legs are splitting apart. Feel that reach, reach, reach. And bend through the knees. Bring yourself up. A mermaid style position here. And rock your weight forward and back. Now, the more as you continue, you're away from the legs, the less sensation you'll get. So if you want it deeper, you come more in kind of center line of your body. So you can make this a little bit more intense if that feels nice, or ease out of it a little bit and be more leaning over. Another time here. Very nice. Switch sides, so legs come to the second side. Long, long arm, long legs. Lift the top leg up and just roll out and in. So get this spiral motion. External, internal, knee up, knee down. Remember, for the leg lift exercise, we'll keep going out and in. Keep thigh rolling out. Big lift, flex, heel taps front. Big lift point, knee rolls in. Lift, knee up front. Lift, knee down, back. So it's flex to front, point to back, and we're taking this slow so you don't skip out on your big lift. Get as big of a lift as you can, working your big range of motion, whatever that is for today. Almost there. Let's do one more time, front and also back, ending with lift and lower. And then foot drags along floor, knee can be behind you. Flex bottom foot, your leg comes up and down. Really reaching heel forward, so strong leg, strong ankle here. Just a few more times. Very nice. The leg lowers down. Reach top leg back behind you. So sense legs stretching, stretching. And then bend through both knees. Bring yourself up. And start your pivot forward. So again, this can be over the one side, especially if you have more tightness in the hips or knees, or a little bit more over the legs. So you find the rock, the position that's just right. Just a few more times. And one last time through. Very nice. Roll onto your front side. And today let's take your legs wide to the outer edges of the mat. Hands underneath the shoulders. Legs straight and strong, feet pressing down. Inhale, start lifting up with your head, your upper spine, your middle back, your lower back stays pretty still, and lower back down. And repeat that, finding that lift. And down. Now let's just add on head. So lift, look over one shoulder, lower down. Lift, looking to center, look over second shoulder, lower down. Deep breath in to lift, head looks center. Look to second side, lower down. Breath in, head looks to center. Look second side, lower down. One more time. Lift, center, to other side and down. Very nice. Come on to hands, on to knees here, spreading wide with your fingers. Tuck your toes. Press the pelvis back. Round your spine, coming up back up to where you were. So press pelvis back. Round your spine. And natural curves back. So nice counter stretch to what you were just doing. Just 2 more times here. Very nice. You can have a seat into the heels of the feet if that's comfortable. If not, find another seated position. And notice how you feel right now after that class. If you enjoyed this class, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below to support the channel.